So hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this lectures we will discuss about the interconnected grid systems and its advantage and disadvantage. So let's start. So first of all, what is interconnected grid systems? So the connection of several generating stations in parallel is normally known as the interconnected grid systems. And there are few advantages and also few disadvantages of interconnected grid systems. So first we'll see the advantage of grid systems. So first here we have advantages include here we have the first point as exchange of peak load. Exchange of peak loads. So let's discuss about the exchange of peak loads. So an important advantage of interconnected system is that peak load of the power station can be exchanged, and if the load curve of a power station shows a peak demand that is greater than the rated capacity of the plant, then the excess load can be shared by other stations interconnected with it. Similarly here we have the second point as use of older plant. So use of older plant means the interconnected systems makes it possible to use the older and less efficient plant to carry peak load of short durations. Therefore, the interconnected systems gives directly key to the use of obsolete plants. So similarly we have the third advantage means here we have it ensures economical operation. So the interconnected systems makes the operation of interconnected power stations quite economical, and it is because sharing of load among the station is arranged in such a way that more efficient stations work continuously throughout the year at high load factors and less efficient plant work for peak load hours only. So similarly here we have the next one as means next advantage includes increased diversity factors. Increase diversity factors. So the diversity factor of the system is improved, thereby increasing the effective capacity of the systems. Similarly here we have fifth point as reduces plant reserve capacity. Reduces plant reserve capacity. So every power station is required to have a standby unit for emergencies. However, when several power stations are connected in parallel, the reserve capacity of the system is much reduced, and this increases the efficiency of the systems. So here we have the last point means the sixth point as increases reliability of supply. Increases reliability of supply. So the interconnected system increases the reliability of supply. If a major breakdown occurs in one station, continuity of supply can be maintained by other healthy stations. Similarly, there are few disadvantages of interconnected systems, and here the disadvantages include here we have few disadvantages. So the very first point is expensive tie line. Similarly, the next disadvantage include expensive circuit breaker. Similarly, the third disadvantage include synchronizing problem. And similarly here we have the fourth one as metering and instrumentations. So these are the four disadvantages of interconnected grid systems. Hope you enjoy the lectures. Thanks for watching this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.